fatal blow. Harry broke down in tears as judge refused to call him Prince in immigration trial. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, faces a humiliating and heartbreaking ordeal in a U.S. court as he fights over his right to stay and work in the country. With the prince now stepping down from his royal duties, he married and moved to California with his wife, Meghan Markle, and their son, Archie, that have applied for a green card to secure permanent residency and work authorization in the U.S. However, his application was met with delays and challenges when he was accused of lying about his past drug use and exploiting his royal status in a dramatic video. Prince Harry was seen in tears as he was denied his royal title by a judge who treated him like any other immigrant. Video captured by a court reporter shows Prince Harry arriving at federal court, Washington, D.C., where he faces a lawsuit from the Conservative Heritage Foundation seeking to obtain his immigration records. The lawsuit is based on Prince Harry's admission of using cocaine, cannabis, and hallucinogenic mushrooms. In his memoir, Spare claimed that the prince had violated immigration laws and received preferential treatment because of his royal connections. Prince Harry, who was accompanied by a lawyer and security team, appeared worried and very tense as he entered the courtroom where he was supposed to be greeted by a hostile and skeptical judge, Robert Jones. The judge, known for his tough stance on immigration issues, refused to refer to Prince Harry as Your Royal Highness and instead called him Mr. Windsor, his legal surname. "You're here to answer some questions, Mr. Windsor, about your immigration status and green card application. Do you understand what the judge said?" "Yes, Your Honor," Prince Harry replied. "Mr. Windsor, you admitted in your book that you used illegal drugs on many occasions, both in the UK and in Afghanistan, where you served as a soldier, right?" The judge asked. "Yes, Your Honor, but that was a long time ago, and I have since overcome my addiction and sought professional help." Prince Harry said, "Mr. Windsor, do you realize that drug use is a serious offense that could make you ineligible for visa or green cards in the U.S.? Did you disclose drug use on your application form?" The judge continued. "Yes, sir, I disclosed my drug use and I explained the circumstances and reasons behind it. I also provide evidence of my recovery and contributions to society." Prince Harry said, "Mr. Windsor, do you realize that you are not entitled to any treatment or privileges because of your previous royal status? You're subject to the same rules and regulations as any other immigrant who wants to live and work in the United States. Do you understand?" The judge said, "Yes, Your Honor, I get it. I don't ask for any treatment or privileges. I demand a fair and just process based on the merits of my case. Mr. Windsor, I have reviewed your case and records, and I have found a number of discrepancies and contradictions that raise doubts about your credibility and your intentions. I have also received a number of complaints and objections from various parties, including the British government, the royal family, and the American public, who have expressed their concerns regarding opposition to your green card application. I have also taken into account that the current political and social climate in the United States is not favorable to immigrants, especially those from privileged and wealthy backgrounds. Therefore, I have decided to deny your green card application and order your removal from the United States. You have 30 days to appeal this decision or voluntarily leave the country." "Do you have something to say?" the judge said. Prince Harry was clearly shocked and devastated by the judge's decision. Unable to control his emotions, he burst into tears. He tried to plead with the judge, but was interrupted by the judge with his gavel of honor. "This is not fair. This is incorrect. I didn't do anything wrong. I followed the law. I paid taxes. I served my country. I gave up everything for the woman I love and the life that I want. I have a family here. I have a son here. I have a house here. This isn't my house. Please don't do this to me. Don't take this away from me. Don't take me away from them. Please have mercy, and please call me Prince. Please call me Prince Harry."